Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable end task feature from taskbar by right click. Simply, if you want to end task, simply right click and you can see end task feature is not available, from where you can easily add a end task feature through taskbar. To enable this feature, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and look for the option advanced. Click on advanced settings. Here at the top of the page you will find end task option. Enable end task in taskbar by right click option. Turn the toggle button on to enable this feature. We will see, for example, we will enable it, turn the toggle button on, and you can see right click on is any taskbar feature and you can see end task feature is available. If you want to remove it, then simply turn the toggle button off. After turning the toggle button off, you can see end task feature on right click. You will not find it, so from where you can easily enable or disable end task feature on taskbar from